Oh, quick one. Good evening, wherever you are watching from. So, today, one of my students, a distance student, requested for a bustier cutting, how to cut bustier, and this is what we are doing. As you can see on the screen, a bustier, that is a shoulder bustier. So, you are working on shoulder bustier, and as you can see, I've already outlined my lines from my shoulder to my bust point. These are the measurements you'll be needing: your shoulder to nipple, shoulder to under the bust, and your half length if you are making that on a gown. But if I'm making it as a top, a blouse, you need your shoulder to hip length to give you your blouse length. So as I have done, sorry, when I was recording, I didn't know that this upper part was not showing, but that was the shoulder area anyways. So I took the measurement as I did that on the client. So I also done that on my pattern paper. That's my shoulder to nipple and others. And before we continue, we have to work on our shoulder slant. I'm so sorry, this part is not really showing. Our shoulder slant, and I use our standard neckline, which is 3 by 3. After we got our shoulder line, shoulder line is divided by 2. Whatever you have on your shoulder, you divide it by 2. I have 8 here, which I divided it by 2. I have 16 rather, and I divided by 2, so we have 8. So I've also worked on my neck line. So next thing to do is to get our shoulder slope 1 inch from your shoulder line. You take 1 inch from your shoulder line and you connect it to the neckline to give you your shoulder slope. And from that 1 inch, after you have calculated your shoulder, your armhole, you get your armhole length. So you input your armhole length and you continue with your shoulder circumference like that to that length where you have your armhole length. Then you connect the lines together. You connect the lines together like so. So after that, I want to get my center of my armhole. You get your center of your armhole. Whatever you have there will be divided by 2. So what I have there is 7.5, and then I divided it